Go ahead.
Yes, hello, Rob.
Yes.
Do any of these, the ones that pertain to the women, is there any stringency between Ashkenazi and Sefardic, or do they both
Not yet.
the same?
Okay, I hear you. Not yet. They come in a little further. Yes, it would be. I would explain. I'm not sure if he's going to mention, but we're going to explain what is the difference between Ashkenazic and Sephardic custom. So for them, it's some things, some blessing would be. They would not say the Hashem's name or skip the blessing completely, but Ashkenazi custom is to say the blessing. Right, and the simple explanation. So that's one of the big difference. Like not such a big difference between Ashkenazic and Sephardic customs to begin with, but one of the big differences from these small differences, right, is that in Sephardim, if women are not obligated to do something, they would not say blessing, even if they're going to do the mitzvah. Example, right? Example, if woman wants to sit in a sukkah, right, or she wants to shake the lulav and esrog, right, in sukkahs, right. So since she's not obligated, first of all, they don't want to do it. Don't do it. It's a mitzvah that is connected to a day, and that's it, right? And day and time. So she's not obligated to sit in a sukkah, but if she wants to sit in a sukkah, there is no problem. She can sit in a sukkah. If she wants to shake, I'm not sure if Sephardic woman would shake or not. I don't want to say. I do not know. That's a very interesting question. But Ashkenazi custom, if woman wants to do that, and she took, in some sense, right? She took this what is it? Not obligation, but requirement upon herself voluntarily, so she can say the blessing. So Ashkenazi woman, if she wants, no pressure, right? But if she wants, she would go to the sukkah and sit in the sukkah in proper way. I mean, we say blessing only when we eat special food, we drink wine, we eat mizoines, and we eat bread. Only then we said blessing, but otherwise we don't. If I just drink water, I eat my apple, pear, whatever I eat. So I don't say the blessing on the sukkah, but if she wants to do the same, she can say the blessing. There is no problem, right? That's the difference, right? And so whatever a woman, Ashkenazi woman, wants to accept upon herself, there is no problem, and she can say even the blessing. That's the thing, okay? But other difference we're going to discuss later on. Any other questions?